Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Varian Edge radiotherapy system, which we are using here at Apollo Hospitals. My name is Dr. Devashish Tripathi and I'm a senior consultant in Radiation Oncology here at Apollo Indraprasth Hospital, Delhi. Varian Edge is a very sophisticated radiotherapy system which can be used to treat a wide variety of cancers like lung cancer, breast cancer, head and neck cancers, brain cancers with extreme precision and efficiency. Some of the highlights of this system is real-time motion management, which allows us to track tumors as they move with breathing. It has got a very high dose rate, which can enable us to finish off treatments in a much faster time than traditional machines. This has got image-guided radiotherapy and cone beam CT scans, which enable us to precisely deliver the treatment where it needs to go, and has got a 6 degree of freedom couch, which enables us to even account for small changes in day-to-day positioning of the patient, all of which makes this machine an extremely invaluable tool in curing cancers of various types.